Hello guys, this is Kuya Mike TV at samahan nyo na naman ako ng sagutan itong EPS topic sample exam number 4605. Tara guys, samahan nyo ako. Basahin na natin to. Ang sabi dito ay sabi ni Ga is Guajang Nim. Yan. Si Guajang Nim guys, in English niyan is chip. Yan, chip. Sabi naman nina ay Muncho Chuirul Nuku Boninon Kushe Chiyok Punwa Peksu Punarul Noromyon Dweyo. Yan. In English guys is insert paper first. Ayan. And then press the original number and fax number of the sender. Yan. Proceed na tayo dito guys sa 4 choices. Si number 1 guys is Buksa Kiga. Ayan, Buksa Kiga Kujang Nasoyo. In English, this photocopier is not working. Yan, dito naman tayo kay number 2 kay Peksu Anande Odo kay Halkayo. Yan, in English, what should I do with these packs that just arrived? Dito naman tayo kaya number 3. Kaya Peksu Puno Aniga Mute po niyo. Yan, in English ay what is the packs number? At dito naman tayo kaya number 4. Kaya Peksu Sayong Poop. Yan, Chungarocho Choseo. In English ay please tell me how to use a fax machine. Sa palagay nyo guys, anong tamang sagot dito? Okay, basahin ulit natin para makuha natin ang sagot. Sabi ni Ga ay Guajang Nim. Yan, Guajang Nim in English ay chip. Sabi naman nina ay Moncho Chuirul Noko Boninon Gushi Chiyok Bonwa Peksu Bonurul Noromyon Dweyo. In English, insert paper first. And then press the original number and fax number of the sender. Yan. Si number 1 ay si Buksa Kiga Guchang Nasoyo. In English, this photocopier is not working. Si number 2 naman ay si Peksu Hononde Odo kay Halkayo. In English, what should I do with this packs that just arrived? Si number 3 naman ay si Peksu Bunwo Aniga Mute Boniyo. In English, what is the fax number? At si number 4 naman ay si Peksu Sayong Poop Chum Garyucho Chuseo. In English ay please tell me how to use a fax machine. Yan, ang tamang sagot dito guys is number 4. Si Peksu Sayong Poop Chum Garyucho Chuseo. In English, please tell me how to use a fax machine. Ayan guys, sana may natutunan naman kayo. Maraming salamat. Yung sa nila.